Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I got you in the back of my car, and I have this. This is a Cube 50 home charger for my Tesla. You're in the back of my Tesla right now, and we're gonna open this up. I did cut the plastic, but I haven't even opened it and looked inside yet. So you guys are seeing it with me as well. So I guess here are some stickers. I guess these we'll put onto the circuit breakers when we put it in there, so that's kind of cool. We have the manual. I guess this is going to be a mounting bracket, so we'll probably put that to the wall and then it'll hang on there. This is going to be the clip for the charging end. Take all this out. So, and then this is the charger here. So let's see how this looks. It looks pretty cool. And then we've got the plug here, which is going to be hopefully 1450, and it is, because that's where my outlet is. And then we have the other end here, which is probably a J1772, which is what it should be. So that's it there. So, and I have the adapter for my Tesla. We also have a Rivian, so that's what this will do. And then we have the big long cord. We have a bunch of mounting screws and things. And then we have, I guess this is probably some sort of card. I don't know, maybe it's got I think it's got an app for it or something like that, so we'll be able to do that. That's everything in the box. So we're gonna go and install this here and set it up over here on the wall and see what happens. Okay, so I installed it. I didn't install it to any great specifications or anything like that. I only put one screw in because I'm gonna actually stick it into my other garage, I think. So, but you can see this is what it looks like here. Peel off the plastic here. So this is what it looks like. So it's EVCUBNB on there. And I got it plugged into my 50 amp outlet here. So we're gonna go and try to plug it into the car and see if we can figure out how to get it started. So let's see. If you're a Tesla owner, you're probably familiar with these. So you can put take off the rubber here and plug it into the Tesla. So that's what we're gonna do here. So I'm plugging it in and nothing's happening. So I'm thinking we're gonna have to do something with these cards. I think we have to touch the card to, oh wait, actually, it says ready to charge. So, okay, so let me, hold on a second, let me get one of these cards out of the package. Okay, so you can see here, we have it plugged into the car and it's still blue, it's not charging. But I see over here in the charger, it's flashing. And so I think what I do is I just hold my card up to it. There we go. And now it starts charging. So that's gonna give me the security. So only the people who have the authorization with the cards are able to charge. I heard it click on. So let's see what we got here. Yes, and we can see it's okay, so here we go. So it's charging now and it's charging at 40 amps. Probably it's only gonna go to that currently because of the way I have it plugged in to the 50 amp outlet, but you can see it is charging, so that's really cool. So now I'm charging my Tesla from right here, so very cool. Love it. Okay, so I've been trying to get the network to work on here, and I just can't get my network connected. I think I'm just way too far in the garage from my access point, so I'm gonna have to go networkless for the moment, but we'll just be able to still charge anyway. So, you know, when I got it all figured out, you just kind of plug it in, you know, then and then to start it, you use the card. So it kind of flashes to get the authorization. I'm guessing once I get the app all figured out, which I'll probably have to bring this inside or something, then at that point, I'll be able to do without the card probably is what it is. So just probably by having the app or something like that. So, but it's cool, and I'll be able to actually charge faster than 40 amps right now. It's set for 40 in the app. You can change it all the way up to 50, so then I'll be able to charge ridiculously fast. But 40 is gonna be good for me for today, just to get it charged up, and then I'm gonna try to figure out the app and all the Wi-Fi stuff soon, but it seems pretty basic. When I looked at the app, it just gives you a few options to change things. You can look at your charging history and stuff like that, but I can kind of see that stuff in my Tesla anyway, but maybe on the Rivian, we'll be able to see more information. So cool, thumbs up. Very cool charger. I like it, looks good and everything.